Hi everyone, welcome back to the Anything Cook. I'm Kashmira. Today I'm going to show you a recipe for a banana loaf. So this is perfect if you have bananas lying around, they're a bit too ripe, you can't eat them, and you don't need to throw them away. You can just make banana loaf. So today's recipe is eggless, so I hope you enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. Okay, so let's look at the ingredients. Over here we have 4 medium ripe bananas. It's better to use ripe bananas because they're sweeter, so they should have brown spots on them, no green. We have some baking powder here, baking soda, vanilla extract, cinnamon powder, nutmeg powder, a pinch of salt, some nuts here. I'm using almonds. You can use any nuts you prefer, or you could use seeds like sunflower seeds or pumpkin seeds, flour, some brown sugar, and half a cup of cooking oil. Okay, so I've peeled my bananas, and in a bowl, we're just going to mash it. You don't need to mash it until it becomes a puree. You just need to break it up, some big pieces, just add texture to the cake. Okay, so we're going to transfer this now to our mixing bowl. Alright, so I'm going to add the mashed bananas to a mixing bowl. To the bananas, I'm going to add half a cup of brown sugar, and we're just going to mix it in. To this mixture, I'm going to add half a cup of sunflower oil, half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, a quarter teaspoon nutmeg powder, one teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then we're going to mix it all together. Okay, so we're going to add our dry ingredients now. I'm going to put a sieve on top of the bowl, and then I'm going to put all the dry ingredients inside. Okay, so I'm adding 1.5 cups of flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Okay, so we're just gonna sieve it in. Okay, so now we're just gonna fold the dry ingredients in. You just have to mix it evenly. And now you can add your nuts or seeds. I've just crushed mine in a mortar pestle. You can choose what size you want. I'm just going to fold that in a little, and then we can add it into our baking tray. Right, I have a greased loaf tin here, and now we're just going to add our mixture. Okay, so just spread evenly. Okay, I've preheated my oven to 180 degrees Celsius, and we're just gonna put it in there for 30 to 40 minutes.